I know some of you will be monetizing your YouTube channels in a few days, some next month, and many more before the end of the year. So while you are waiting for that special day to come, be careful so that the next step you're going to take won't cut your celebration short. You guys are welcome back, and if you're new here, you're also welcome. I do share YouTube tips for content creators on this channel and also share vital information that the big boys are not talking about. So if you love watching videos like this, please join the community by hitting the subscribe button. Sometime in 2021, I had this experience with a content creator about his YouTube channel, and the experience wasn't pleasant because that experience cost him about $475. So I know some of you in the Western countries, this money probably is not a big deal, but right here in Africa, in Nigeria, it is a whole lot. He made a mistake in AdSense and he wasn't able to recover this money. So right now, I'm going to explain to you what happened so that if you are new on YouTube or you are planning to monetize your YouTube channel, you will learn something from his experience. Right now, I'm on his AdSense account. So as you can see, we have $475.31, the balance in this AdSense account, and there was no last payment. This shows that the owner of this AdSense account has not been paid from this AdSense account. Now, this is what actually happened. Let me go to his YouTube channel's analytics. So this is between late 2021 to late 2022. So I just picked the period when he monetized his YouTube channel. So he got his channel monetized around September 12, about September 12, 2021. And when he created his AdSense account, everything was moving smoothly. So he was earning within this period. Then it got to this point, he couldn't verify his identity, and then his AdSense account was suspended. So when his AdSense account was suspended, his YouTube channel was demonetized. You know, for you to monetize your YouTube channel, you must link it to a verified AdSense account. So if you have any issue with your AdSense account, your channel will be demonetized immediately until you link a verified AdSense account. So now he was trying to resolve this issue within this period, that's within this November 2021. Then he reached out to me about this problem. So while we are trying to find a way of, recovering the AdSense account or trying to suspend it, so we are trying different methods to find a way to fix the problem with the AdSense account. Immediately, one of his videos started going viral. So let me show you in the view area. So you can see here, all of a sudden, his views started surging up from 4,000, 5,000 to 10,000, and so on and so forth. So I now advised him that he should link another verified AdSense account to his YouTube channel. If you can see here, around this January 22nd, 2022, if you check the earnings, you see that around that time, I linked a verified AdSense account to his YouTube channel. Then it started earning, the channel started earning. That's the channel got monetized and started earning. As you can see from this point down, he started earning from his channel. So in total, what he earned was over $3,000 within this period. That's the 2022 period. But what I'm trying to bring out with this video is that at some point, many content creators normally get stuck with their YouTube monetization at this point. So, from applying for the YouTube partner program down to, creating an AdSense account and, verifying your identity and the rest, and then receiving your payment. There are many orders in between this, from earning from YouTube and receiving your payment to your bank account. There are many, hurdles you need to cross. So some YouTubers, go through this process easily, smoothly, but a lot are having major challenges, at some point during this process of monetization. when you're about to apply for your YouTube monetization, you will need to pass through this process. So depending the country you are living in or where you are based, you'll be required to verify your identity and your address. So for this identity verification, it is very, very critical in the sense that if you have issue with it, you might forfeit any money that is already in your AdSense account. When you create an AdSense account and link it to your YouTube channel, you will need to reach a $10 threshold in AdSense before you can verify your identity or your address. So you need to reach that threshold in AdSense. I'm not going to go into details about this. I'm just, this video is not about AdSense per se. Another thing you need to know is that there is a time limit for your identity verification. If you can't verify your identity within 45 days of AdSense requesting for your identity verification, that means your AdSense account will be suspended. So any money in your AdSense account, you can't have access to it. And also there's a limit. You have 5 times to attempt to verify your identity. So whichever one comes first, if you attempt to verify your identity 5 times and it wasn't successful, that means your account will be suspended. And if you delay more than 45 days, your account will also be suspended. So this is the issue that this content creator had with his AdSense account, and up to today he can't have access to the fund in his AdSense account. If you have this kind of problem, the first thing you need to consider, or when you're having issues with your AdSense application, and probably there's a video going viral on your channel, I would suggest that you ask for or find a verified AdSense account and link it to it, and make sure that it's a trusted someone, because some people, when you connect a verified AdSense account to your YouTube channel, they may not return the money back to you. So this is what we did, and he was able to save over $3,000. So now, as a new creator or as a new YouTuber in this street, have in mind that when you want to verify your identity, because I know someday you will have to go through this process to monetize your YouTube channel. So have in mind that for you to verify your identity, you must provide government-issued ID card. And this option will be made available when you have reached the $10 threshold in AdSense. Then the next thing, again, you need to note is that you have 45 days to verify your identity, and you have only 5 attempts. If you miss any of these, that means your channel will be suspended. The verification process doesn't take long compared to other processes. The verification process is at most 2 days. Like in my own case, it didn't take up to 5 minutes. They verified my identity with the document I submitted. So then finally, there's this last option, that is the identity verification troubleshooter. So if you have this kind of challenge, you have the last hope or the last resort, and that is the identity verification troubleshooter. Although I've never seen a content creator that used this troubleshooter and was successful, to be frank with you. So when you have this problem, you might end up not succeeding. A lot of content creators are passing through a lot, and probably no one is sharing all those sad stories. People will share with you how they got their first paycheck and this and that, but no one is crying out about some of these challenges, or even those that are crying out about it, they are just very few. So this leads me to sharing with you that I'll be winding up my AdSense support for YouTube creators this month, and this will usher in the last AdSense masterclass that I'll be hosting. So what this means is that anytime you call me or you chat me up for any AdSense issue, I might probably not respond to them. So if you want anything you want to know as a new content creator, or if you're about to monetize your YouTube channel, I will recommend my last AdSense masterclass. In this AdSense masterclass, I will share a lot, and other content creators will bring their unique challenges, and you will listen or see how I explain or how they can go about it. So you need to register for this AdSense masterclass, because the knowledge you are going to get could save you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. So you can check the link to where you can register. The money is very little. It's not up to $15, and probably the money might go up after 20th. So find time and register quickly while it is on discount. I'll be sharing all the wealth of knowledge that I've accumulated for the past 3 years, resolving issues for content creators relating to AdSense. So come register so that you'll be well informed, so that by the time you'll be ready, you'll be applying for your AdSense account, you will not have issues, or when you run into any issue, you know how to resolve them. So this will be vital, because maybe when you have that issue, I might not be available. So try and register. This is the last AdSense masterclass I'll be hosting. Then regarding to the AdSense support, why I'm stopping it is that the project is not scalable, in the sense that I need to have access to some sensitive or private information before I can assist content creators. And it's not scalable in the sense that I can't delegate those kind of those kind of service or support to a third party, because it's something that relates to privacy and confidential information. So it's just that all this while I'm the one all these content creators are interfacing with, so I can't delegate it. So the project is not scalable, and it's taking a lot of my time. So I felt that it's high time that I close it down and then do this masterclass for the last time, and that's that. So give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful, and I will appreciate if you share your experience with AdSense in the comment section. And if you're new on YouTube, your expectation, if you have any question, drop it in the comment section and I will find time to respond to them. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.